Ito, hindi kami hangtahan. Go on ahead mo guys. Okay. Dang, bro. Gotta go look at that. Alligators are present along. Okay. Take a trail. Let's hope we don't get lost. This might be one of the most scariest videos I've ever made. I don't know. Dang, bro, it's a little trail. There's a little freaking trail. There's alligators along the trail, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna survive. You can't. It's probably the Appalachian Mountains, so don't look at the trees too long. Don't look at the trees. No trees. Dang. It's like a bunch of leaves right here that I probably don't need to touch. There's probably there's probably freaking bugs here that I don't like. Especially beetles that are gonna pinch me. And I forgot cockroaches can bite, so. We're focusing on our trail. At night, I think of you. Is that freaking fire ant? Let's see this trail. What the fuck is that? Okay. Okay. At night, I think of you. Is anyone here? Okay. We're in the Ponce de Leon. We're at Ponce de Leon, so I'm not sure. Wait a minute. Dang, those are big leaves. Yes, we're literally at a swimming pool. We're gonna walk around some trails and stuff. See what we have here. We're going right there. Be brave, bro. Be brave. Be brave. Be brave. 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 Be brave. Be brave. Be brave. 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 Yeah, I kind of get scared and some shit. Yes. There's literally some oceans right here. Is that a freaking alligator or something? You see the long waterway around. What's that right there? Stop. Dang. We're gonna search for alligators and stuff. Yeah, we're searching. Dang, bro, this is like hiking. I swear, if someone pushes me off, I'm done. Remember the trail. Remember the trail. Remember the trail. Don't get... Is that a fucking cockroach? Is that a fucking cockroach? Just taking a look around. Can I I just wanted to take a look around. I just wanted to take a look around. Okay. You see that? Those are big leaves. And that leads to the swimming pool. We need anything that doesn't lead to the swimming pool. That literally leads to nature itself. I'm at Ponce de Leon. This is just a nature vlog. Because I love nature. Who doesn't love nature? I mean, nature would be very scary, to be honest. I think that cockroach was a piece of bird. Or maybe I'm wrong. Okay, you see the big guys in the sauna? Dang, bro! You see how deep that is? I can't even swim. I can't swim, yeah. I don't know how to swim, so let's go back to this trail. Be brave, boy. Be brave, be brave, be brave, be brave, be brave. Okay, just another. Hold that breath, Steven. What the heck is that, bro? Are those hissing? Dang, bro. Yes, we're walking through the... Dang. That's... Dang, bro. We got a list. We have a triangle trail. Yeah, you see? We have a triangle trail. What the fuck is that? Chat, we're running. Is that a freaking fire ant? Is that a fire ant? Whatever we do, avoid the bugs. No, we're just walking. Somebody saw me. Okay. What the heck is that, man? Dang, bro. We're running. Oh shit.